Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Basically, there are two ways to connect both of these accounts, either through Facebook or through Instagram. First, I will show you the method through Instagram. So, in order to connect your Instagram account, you would need to first switch it into a professional account. For that, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then open the hamburger menu. Inside it, select Settings and then access the Accounts tab. Inside it, tap on Switch to Professional Account Embed and then continue to this page. Here, select the type of content you make and then select Creator or Business. You can select either one as it doesn't really matter. Once done, tap on Next and your account has been converted. Now, go to your profile page, tap on the Professional Dashboard button and select the gear cog icon at top right corner of your screen. After that, select Connect to a Facebook page, tap on Continue, and you will be prompted to sign into your Facebook account. Once signed in, select the target page, tap on Connect, and that's it. For the second method, let's jump into the Facebook app. Inside it, tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen, and then switch over to the target page by tapping on this arrow icon. Here, go to the menu again, tap on the gear cog icon at top right corner, and then scroll down to the permissions section. Now select linked accounts, tap on Instagram, and then sign into your Instagram account. Once signed in, your account will be connected to your page successfully. So that's basically how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.